is the meaning of Microsoft Excel means? Excel is a spreadsheet that can be represented for the cells and data. So this chapter already we will discuss about the PowerPoint presentation in Microsoft. So this is also a Microsoft Excel. So how it will be called means we can go to the start menu and type Excel. The Microsoft Excel can be shown on your display. You just click that Excel. The Excel sheet will be open like this. So this is a Excel sheet will open like this. So this can be used for your educational schools, educationals and financials, and moreover it can be used for mathematical or statistical calculations can be used for this Excel. So this Excel can be used for various aspects of our life. Various aspects of our life means most of the peoples can be used for the data of some other details. So if you want to use the data, we can use the details to store in the Excel. So this Excel can be used for 8 ribbons. This Excel can be used for 8 ribbons. What are the ribbons? We can learn. So the ribbon can also used for another name is called a tab. So what are the tabs are used? The first tab is called a file. The first tab is called a file. So these tabs will contain save a document. Save as document means we can save another files. If you are already stored in the data, we can open a document and we can close the Excel. So these are all the details that a ribbon can be, the file tab can be used. Again, the second one is a home, third one is insert, fourth one is a page layout, fifth one is a formulas, sixth one is a data, seventh one is a review, eighth one is a view. So these are all the tabs can be used for Excel. So these are all the tabs can be represent to use the formulas, to use the data in the document. So this Excel can be used for spreadsheets. What's the name of spreadsheets? It can be used for workbook. It's another name of workbook. Okay, the workbook contains worksheets. What are the worksheets are there means in this Excel there are 3 default Excels are there. In this Excel means there are 3 default sheets are there. What are the sheets? Sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3. So these 3 sheets is the default sheets of Excel. So if you want to use the Excel, if you want to use a worksheet, we can choose sheet number 1. The sheet number 1 will be finished, we can go to that sheet number 2. The sheet number 2 will be finished, we can go to the sheet number 3. Again, more sheet can be used means we can use it for the symbol, the star symbol. It can be used for sheet number 4, sheet number 5, sheet number 6, etc. So this Excel can be used for more sheets to add the data, to add the details from the Excel. So this Excel can be represent the data of manipulations and data hiding and data to be stored in that Excel. So this Excel can be used for cells. This worksheet can be used for cells. Every box, do you see the box? The cursor will move on like this. So every box is a cell. Each cells have row and column. Each cells have row and column. Every cells have row and column. What is the meaning of cell means? The cell can be represent the data. For example, I am typing. Wait, I am typing serial number. Did you see that one? Serial number. Next, name. I am typing serial number. Next, name. Next, mark 1, mark 2, mark 3, mark 4. Okay, this is can be used for serial number 1, 2, name, and mark 1, mark 2, mark 3, mark 4. I am putting the number 1. I am write the name of Raja. Mark 1. What is the mark 1 means? They can get the 75, 85 and 65 and 72, 78 like this. So this can be looking for small size. So I am going to use the size of the headings. I am going to use the size of the headings. I am going to change the color of the headings. I am going to change the design. I am going to change the idea of the. I am going to change the letters to be differently. How to change means, already I told you there are 8 tabs in there. So we can use the home tab. We can use the home tab. We can already select it from the names. We can already select the serial number, name, mark 1, mark 2, mark 3, mark 4. So I am going to use the letter style. I am going to use the letters. There are so many styles are there. There are so many font styles are there. I am going to just use serial or another one small size, small letters of different style. So I am going to change the size letters of the size. Already it will be the 11. So I am going to use 20. I am going to use 20 means the letter will be in bigger. Okay, I am going to use the letter 20 means the going it will be on bigger. Okay, did you see the changes? Did you change the letters and did you change the headings? Again, I am going to use the color of the letters. First one is I am going to click. I am going to choose the red color. Serial number is the red color. Name, I am going to change the colors of the name. I am going to change the color. Again, I am going to use the mark in same colors. So I am going to choose blue color or green color, etc. Anyone. So again, it will be used for colors. Then again, I am going to use the letters and data of the different size of the colors. It will be used for 20 like this. So the data will be changed. So likewise, the Excel can be used for the data of students' mark sheet, everything. Anyone it can be used. So it can be used for more data can be stored in the Excel. Okay, students. This is the basics of Excel. So we will see on next class of how to solve, how to add the calculation of average and calculations in Excel. Okay, we will see on next class, students. Thank you, students. Thank you so much.